Okay, we are Gareth and Janet, Port Monkeys, and we are in Reykjavik, Iceland. And we just took the free shuttle, the city shuttle, from the ship, which is the Caribbean Princess, to the Harpa Concert Hall. And when we want to go back to the ship, we're going to come right back here to the Harpa Concert Hall. And there is something down on the ground. Maybe it's parking. I see a red door. So it's glass. You see that? Ooh. And look inside. Odd people. Oh, with VR headsets, yeah. So I think we're going to head off that way to the church, the big cathedral. So we're inside the Harpa, and we took the elevator up to floor 2. We tried to get up higher, but it would not let us. Oh, I see a tour group. But look at that. You see all around there? And there's lots of balconies, but they don't let us get up any further. Let's take the elevator down. So we're going to exit the Harpa. And I think I want to be on that road going straight ahead. Oh, look at that boat up in the air. Anyway, moving right along. Left the Harpa there, across the street and headed into this park. Let's walk up here. Let's see what this statue is. Looks like a Viking or something. Playground. Street, and this is the Leif Erikson Hotel on both sides, and of course the big cathedral. Let's walk up there. A lot of traffic through here. This statue, I believe, is of Leif Erikson. Take pictures of it. I'm going to climb up this right here so I can get here and then walk straight towards the church, the cathedral. It's pretty tall. It seems to be made of concrete. He's having it. Now they're having services in there, so it's closed to the public, let's say. It's closed to the tourists. So that'll be for 1 o'clock. So that's what I'm doing. Helicopter. We're up on top of a hill. And I don't know if you can see it in this video. That roof is covered with grass of that black house there. And there's the Loki, Icelandic traditional food. So, god of mischief. Does that mean you order something and they give you something else? Let's walk around the side here. That says museum. So apparently there's a museum in that very building. Oh, and they're working on the church, the cathedral. That language. Don't know what it says. So, Hallgrimskirkja and Reykjavik. Reykjavik is the shopping street. Of course, you can see the ocean out there. So, we're near where we started. Just gonna show you some shops and restaurants and bars because, well, and a casino, the Monaco Viking Casino. But here's a restaurant, here's a men's shop it looks like, Carl Men, barber shop. It's Sunday and a lot of things are closed. This looks like a bookstore maybe? No, everything but books. Coffee mugs, hats, mostly books though. Ooh, almost hit that light bulb. Hotel, art studio. I was wrong. It's not all restaurants and bars and gift shops or shopping. There's hotels and art studios. Although I guess that's shopping. There's this place. And this wall, and that bird. Jewelry store. Looks closed today. ATM. Tattoo. Hocus Pocus. Hocus Pocus. Flag of Sweden, flag of Iceland, flag of Norway, flag of Denmark. Hey, they're all a little bit similar. Why guys do music like that? Hey, is this those famous backpacks that are all the rage or were all the rage? Huh. Restaurant and bar. All Raven. Those bells mean that it's 1:30, I think. If you look way over the top of that building, you can see the steeple from the cathedral. Of course, there's shops going off on the side streets. There's the ocean again down there. Hot dog. Written. Art gallery. Is that the Chinese restaurant, Shanghai. Doesn't look like it's open. Some of these are big department stores and others are little tiny stores. Another ATM. Icelandic icons. Flowers. Icelandic flowers. Guinness tourist information. Pre-booking service. Remember, cars drive on here. Haven't seen too many, but they're here. This is a one-way street. Oh, here comes a car now. As soon as I get out in the road. And my body art. Stamps. Dim-a-lim. Hereford. Steakhouse. So steakhouse?
Rent outdoor clothing.
Huh. Rent the clothes. Because you were ill prepared.
No, you can go to the
Forston. So we're in Reykjavik City Hall. And they have this large relief map of Iceland, the whole island. And that right there is Reykjavik, the orange part.
Right here for the airport. This is right here.
And way out here, that is the fjordur, where we almost went. Then the captain said, nope, and we left yesterday. And then up there is Akureyri, which they canceled that stop about a week ago, doing a weather report. Now, I don't see bad weather, but there's nothing I can do about it. And then this looks like a glacier. The island, and there's several more.
Yeah, people have to go there
Not even
to
as big
like
as that.
Glacier Lagoon,
So.
and Diamond Beach and over there.
But this is Reykjavik City Hall.
There you go there.
There are stairways leading everywhere. And writing that I don't understand. I guess this is what it used to look like. And that church is right outside here. Let's go out and have a look. By the way, bathrooms. There's the big cathedral. Looks like a Russian Orthodox church up there. See that church there? So this is, I think, the old part of town, right? Original part of town. Although, on the map, it says the old harbor is over there. Hi, here we are back at the concert hall in Reykjavik, Iceland.
And we didn't get back on the ship.
Yeah, so we walked about 6 miles or so. Saw a lot of historical buildings, a lot of shopping bars and restaurants. And they're expensive. Things are expensive here.
They look on camera. It's expensive here.
Anyway,
Reykjavik, Iceland. I'm Janet.
and I'm Gareth.